Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can combine different PDFs into a one PDF. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, what you have to do is open Google Chrome and then search for combine PDF. Just go over to combine PDF website and click on the first link. Here just click on upload files and then select your files. For my case I have page 1, page 2 and page 3, all these three different PDF files. Just select all the files and click on open. Once you do this, as you can see, it has starting converting. Once it's done, just click on combine, and once you click on combine, it will do a loading a bit, and then as you can see, it automatically downloads the PDF file. Just open this and enjoy your combined PDF file. So yes, now you know how to do this. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide in this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.